Here is a very good reason, regardless of the industry or business size, as to why your business needs SEO to take your brand to the next level. SEO has the potential to generate discernible outcomes within the initial year of implementation, and numerous of these efforts will yield enduring effects spanning several years. Adhering to the market's progression, it's indeed prudent to vigilantly track and adapt to prevailing trends and shifts. Yet, even a website that hasn't undergone an extensive overhaul based on intensive SEO recommendations can witness improvements by embracing fundamental SEO best practices on an authentic platform characterized by a satisfactory user experience. Furthermore, the allocation of more time, dedication, and resources to SEO endeavors stands to enhance a website's longevity and competitiveness within its market segment. If you've liked what you've seen and heard in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more great tips or advice. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.